A highly specialized truck, escorted by pilot vehicles for safety, makes its way to the Evergreen Line's North Tunnel portal. It's the first of 10 shipments of oversized components of the project's tunnel boring machine. Due to the size, weight, and slow travel speeds, these deliveries are only done at night. Too big to turn around, the delivery truck is backed into the tunnel boring machine's launch site. The operators, now outside the big rig's cab, deftly guide the truck every step of the way by remote control. Once on site, under careful supervision, the heavy load is rigged to a powerful crane. Then, very carefully, the crane lifts the 90-ton section of the TBM off the transport truck and lays it on the ground so a welder can remove the shipping legs. Now utilizing a second crane, the massive half ring is stood upright in preparation for the final lift into the tunnel boring machine's assembly and launch pit. Shown here at several times the speed, the final lift is done with a single crane. A guide line is used to rotate the half ring, and then the crane moves it over the launch pit. The walls of the launch pit have been reinforced with piles and concrete. On the floor, the concrete base has a cradle shape that the tunnel boring machine must align perfectly with. The last few millimeters are critical. When assembled, this part of the tunnel boring machine will house the main bearing, sitting behind the cutter head. After a couple of months for assembly, the tunnel boring machine will start its 2-kilometer journey from the west side of the Barnett Highway to Burquitlam, emerging just before Burquitlam Station. The Evergreen Line, opening summer 2016.